Hey there, cyber sleuths and keyboard warriors! Welcome back to the channel where we transform your boundless curiosity into actionable competence. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the wild world of penetration testing, or as I affectionately refer to it, ethical hacking for those who dream of being the next James Bond, but with a lot less tuxedo and a whole lot more hoodie. So what exactly is penetration testing? Picture this. You're a superhero, but instead of soaring through the skies and battling the forces of evil, you're engaged in the noble fight against cybercrime. Penetration testing, often abbreviated as pen testing, involves simulating cyber attacks on a system to uncover vulnerabilities before the actual bad guys can exploit them. It's akin to being a digital detective, but without the need for a trench coat. Unless that's your personal style choice, of course. Now, you might wonder why this practice is so crucial for cybersecurity professionals. Well, let's take a moment to imagine your favorite ice cream shop. You adore it, but what if someone carelessly left the door wide open? Definitely not cool, right? Penetration testing helps organizations identify those metaphorical open doors before someone sneaks in and takes off with all the delicious ice cream. And believe me, nobody wants that to happen. Okay, so let's break down the penetration testing process into 5 essential phases. Buckle up, because here come the buzzwords that will make you sound like a pro. Phase 1. Planning and reconnaissance. This is where we act like spies at a sophisticated tea party gathering intel. We meticulously research our target, seeking out weaknesses and formulating our approach. Just remember, no one appreciates a snoop who gets caught. So channel your inner ninja and stay stealthy. Phase 2. Scanning. Now that we've done our homework, it's time to scan the target for vulnerabilities. Tools like Nmap are invaluable here. Think of it as wielding a super-powered magnifying glass that reveals all the cracks in the wall. Just be careful not to let the homeowner catch you in the act, or you might find yourself needing to do some serious explaining. Phase 3. Gaining access. This is where the real fun begins. Using powerful tools like Metasploit, we attempt to exploit those vulnerabilities we've uncovered. It's like trying to pick the lock on the back door of the ice cream shop. Just remember, ethical hackers are all about leaving things tidy. No mess left behind. Phase 4. Maintaining access. Now that we've successfully gained entry, we want to ensure we can return later. Much like a child who knows exactly where the cookie jar is hidden. We might set up a back door or some other means to retain access, but remember, no cookie stealing allowed. Phase 5. Analysis and reporting. After all that excitement, it's time to compile our findings and report back. This stage is akin to receiving a school report card, but instead of the dreaded "could do better," it's more like address this issue or face dire consequences. Now, you might be asking, what tools do you need to become a penetration testing pro? You'll definitely want to check out Kali Linux. It's essentially the Swiss Army knife of hacking tools. You've got Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities, Nmap for scanning, and Burp Suite for testing web applications. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and these tools are no exception. So, are you ready to embark on your journey into the thrilling realm of penetration testing? Here's a quick learning path to guide you along the way. Learn the basics of networking and security. Understanding how networks function is crucial. Trust me on this one. Get comfortable with Linux. Kali Linux will be your playground, so do your best to get the hang of it. Familiarize yourself with tools. Spend some time experimenting with Nmap, Metasploit, and Burp Suite. There are countless free resources available online. Practice, practice, practice. Utilize platforms like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me. It's like a gym for aspiring hackers. And get certified. Consider pursuing certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker or Offensive Security Certified Professional to showcase your skills and impress potential employers. And there you have it, future ethical hackers. With great power comes, well, an abundance of fun and responsibility. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you never miss any of our exciting adventures into the captivating world of cybersecurity. Until next time, remember to keep hacking. Ethically, of course.